Hello guys, how to cook ogbono soup. Today's recipe is how to cook ogbono soup. I will be using goat meat, chicken. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt, some seasoning cube. Then I'm going to add some chopped onions. Then I just want to marinate my protein until everything is well marinated. So I will just transfer it to the stove top to cook it for 10 minutes to get the juice. So also I'll be using some fresh okra. You can call it lady finger. We know this as okra. So I'm going to slice my okra into smaller size, not too small. This ogbono soup is with okra. It's really delicious. This is one of my best Nigeria soup. It's very easy to make and it's very delicious. I'm just saying it's very delicious and it tastes really good. It goes with all types of swallow. So I'm going to show you how to make this ogbono soup recipe. So after 10 minutes, my protein has already bring out the juice. My goat meat, my chicken has already bring out his own juice, his own water. So I'll just give it a quick stir. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some water to cook my chicken and my goat meat very well. I want it to be well cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and add the water. Then I will allow this to cook for some minutes. Then I'll come back and remove our chicken. If you are new to my channel, thanks so much for your support. And if you are returning viewers and returning subscribers, thanks so much. This is after some minutes, so I'm going to remove my chicken from the goat meat. You know, the chicken we have here in the US is not as hard like the one of we have in Nigeria. So I'm going to remove it. This one just take like 15 minutes to 25 minutes and it will be ready. So I'll transfer it to the oven and grill it. Please, if you've not liked this video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated of my new video. And please remember to share this video as well. So to learn how to cook Nigeria ogbono soup. It's very easy and it's very delicious soup. You are going to love eating this soup. So I'll just transfer the chicken into the oven. Then I'll start grilling it. You can skip that. So I'm going to go ahead and add some Ponmo, Shaki and some ring. That's cow skin and cow belly. So I'm going to add it into it there. I already cooked it, but I just want it to be well cooked with the goat meat. So I'll cover it and allow this to cook as well while the chicken is grilling in the oven. So this is it after some minutes. You can see it looks really good. So I'm going to add some blended pepper. This is a fresh pepper. I just blend it in the blender. So I'm going to add it with my meat, my assorted meat, because I want the meat also to taste spicy and also the stock to taste spicy. So because I'm not going to use the blended chili or the paprika, so I'm not going to use it in this recipe. I'm using fresh pepper. So let's go and blend our ogbono. Let's see how ogbono look. This is how ogbono look before you blend it. This is an ogbono soup seed or ogbono seed. This is how it looks before you blend it. If you don't have the blend one, this is how it look. So I'm going to transfer it into a blender. Then I'm going to blend. I want to show you how to blend ogbono using your blender. So I'll transfer it to the blender. Then I'll blend it. I'm going to blend it dry. You can add some black pepper. You can add some crayfish. You can add some dry chili as well. But I'm not going to add that. I'm going to blend my ogbono plain, and I want everything to blend until it's well smooth as perfect as it's going to look. So it's still remaining small. I'll just allow it to blend perfectly blend. So I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. So you see how it looks. You see it come out really good and it come out really perfect. So your blender can as well blend your ogbono for you. So if you don't have that many blender, so let me just use the fork to lift it up. So you're going to see I'm using 1 cup of ogbono to make my ogbono soup. This ogbono soup is going to taste really good. I can't wait to share more of it with you. So we are going to go back to our stove top. I already removed my assorted from the pot. I'm going to add some palm oil into the pot. At this stage, I already switched off my cooker. My cooker is not on, it's just off. I'm going to add my blended ogbono into my oil. the stove top is just warm, but it's not hot on. It's switch. Remember, I switch it off. So I'm going to mix my ogbono with my oil. I just want to melt it. So the stove top is off. So this is how it looks. I don't want it to have seed. There's another method we normally use. I'm going to share it with you in another of my ogbono recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and add my stock, which is my goat meat stock. I'm going to add it there. I'm going to mix it. At this stage, the stove top is still off. It's just warm because I just removed all the meat and all the stuff. I just finished using that spot, so it's just a warm stove top. Please don't on your stove at this point. So I'm going to mix everything until it's well combined with my ogbono. This ogbono soup is very easy, and the technique is as well so easy. So I'm going to mix it. At this stage, I find my ogbono too thick. So this is what you need to do. If it's too thick, just go ahead and add some water. If you don't have enough beef stock or chicken stock or whichever stock you are using to make it, if you don't have enough, add some hot water into it. It's not cold, hot water. Hot water is going to give you a perfect result, and you are not going to find a lumps in your ogbono. I'd already switched on my stove. I just allow it to boil a little, then add hot water into my ogbono. So I'm going to stir everything quickly, as fast as I can, to mix my ogbono with the water. I'm going to stir it very, very fast. There's a method my late grandma normally use. I'm going to share that recipe with you guys. If you're interested, please let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to add my assorted meat, my goat meat, my shaki, my ponmo, my ring. I'm going to add it into my ogbono. At this stage there, I'll combine it with my ogbono. If you find your ogbono too thick, as I said, add a little hot water. I don't really like my ogbono too thick. I like it not too light, but not too thick. I just like it in a moderate form. So I'm going to go ahead and add my cut okra. The okra I cut earlier. This ogbono is going to be ogbono soup with okra. It tastes delicious. It tastes really delicious, and it tastes really yummy. You are going to enjoy this Nigerian soup. So I'll just stir everything. At this time the flame is not too much. I'm just cooking it in a medium flame. So I'll allow the okra to cook with the ogbono as well. So we'll go to the other stage of the ogbono by adding our crayfish, blended crayfish. Then I'm going to add some seasoning cube, some seasoning cube into it, just to give it a nice taste. Then I'm going to go ahead and stir everything. This really smells good. This ogbono soup smells really good. This is how to make ogbono soup. Nigerian soup are very, very delicious, and this is one of the most simplest Nigerian soup to prepare. So after stirring this, we are going to go ahead and add our grilled chicken. I already grilled this chicken earlier. I already roasted it in the oven. So I'm going to add it into my ogbono as well. Then I'm going to mix it into my ogbono soup, so everything will be well marinated and well combined with my ogbono soup. So after adding my chicken, please, if you've not liked this video, please remember to give us a like. If you have any question about this ogbono soup recipe, let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and add some pinch of salt. After tasting it, if you find that the seasoning and the salt is not well, okay, just add some pinch to sweet your taste. Not too much, but a pinch, because if you over add, it can make it taste too salty. Just add a little pinch into the soup. So we are going to stir this and allow this to boil. You can see how our ogbono looks after some minutes. Thanks so much for watching this ogbono soup recipe. You can eat this ogbono soup with eba. You can eat it with pounded yam. You can eat with it so many swallow, even 7. Thanks so much for watching my video. Hope to see you all in my next video, and bye bye.